All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Listen, I have to admit, so on Thursday, it was a very confusing live stream for me. If you were there, I think it was a good one, but I was so confused at many times. And there's a lesson here. Hear me out. Drop your tickers and questions in chat, but hear me out on this. I couldn't figure out, well, not everyone, but a significant majority of people were asking about HCNWF. And I was baffled. I'm like, why is everyone asking about this? I didn't realize, and listen, I'm not perfect. I don't really follow these sketch OTCs anyway, but I didn't realize this was a pump and dump, okay? A confirmed pump and dump, by the way, okay? They actually, they hired Wealth Research, Crush the Street, Future Trends, blah, 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 okay? The press, it's in your news feed. They dropped it Thursday night. So, the lesson there is, and this is the point I want to make, everyone was asking about this, but no one said, hey, Tim, this is a confirmed pump and dump. Confirmed. Okay, they responded like a week ago too, okay, to unusual trading activity, blah, 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 okay. So my friends, if you suddenly find yourself enamored with some OTC and you don't realize why it's up, man, especially when they're in Vancouver, okay, be really, really careful. Because my fear is a lot of you didn't realize that. Listen, I didn't know it was a pump and dump either. I couldn't figure out why people kept asking about it. Like, why? What? But again, these things, whatever, yuck. Bleh. So just be very careful of that, okay? If all of a sudden you're a true believer in a 5-digit ticker, always a red flag, okay? Anyway, so it's over. I hope you all did well on this. I truly do. I hope you all did well. Anyway, but watch for that. AI, yeah, again, AI. So again, guys, drop those tickers and questions. AI, man, just incredible. From a technical analysis standpoint. And I dropped a video on YouTube, so check out the YouTube. Man, as long as this thing holds that 21 level, man, I think you can bounce that all day long. And then we got AI plays up this morning. By the way, GFAI top of the list. So at any point, again, nothing really new from that YouTube video and the weekend watch list. Man, trade off of that 21 level all day long, okay? Charles, yeah. Charles is looking for a bounce off of 2180. Charles, love it. Charles Backus, you got the plan on AI. By the way, we got several low floaters up already. ONCS, former runner, they pulled the offering. This is a beautiful dip and rip at 250. Crazy thing is these lines, okay? Those blue lines, those are lines from weeks ago, okay? Those aren't Oracle levels. Notice how the Oracle level and the lines from the past, okay, these are lines that I dropped weeks ago, line up. Also, whole dollar, half dollar. Also, high day. So ONCS, textbook dip and rip. Otherwise, let it die. So ONCS, textbook DNR. If it dies, it dies. Only a squeeze point. So MSGM. Gaming was hot last week. I think that basically a resistance break from, and I'm going to do this a million times. If I say Friday, okay? If I say Friday, I mean Thursday. Cut me some slack. Anyway, I like that 8 level, 820 even, basically was resistance from Thursday afternoon. So MSGM 820 level wakes this up like that entry. Then probably probably risk 8 in there. JFBR. Just Brands. Oh God, what is this? Willution. Oh, what's this? Is this like hippie supplement? Is this like patchouli oil? Hemp gummies. Hemp cream. Oh, they got a detox. Oh! Oh, they got, check this out. They got normal detox and they got detox premium. 5 times stronger detox. Wow. Beautiful. Man, this is absolute trash. Afternoon VWAP hold or short it. This thing's going nowhere. JFBR, afternoon VWAP hold. Yuck. Disgusting. Hey, but remember, what do we always say? Okay? What do we always say? Everything changes in the afternoon. Okay? Listen, as much as I hate Jeff's brands right now, guess what? We start consolidating at VWAP. Starts getting a little squeezy into 2 p.m. Maybe it trades, what's our 60-day average? 400,000 shares, already traded 8 million, already rotated the float twice. Everything changes in the afternoon on disgusting Jeff brands. So, or day 2, CDLX is back, right? Or no? Oh, geez, yeah. I mean, listen. Red to green, Friday's highs. Woo! Yeah. I mean, volume stinks, okay? Flat out, volume stinks. But remember, this was just punishing people all last week. So, man, that's a big breakout, too. So, red to green would be aggressive. Notice it's still channeling between the lines, and then a 620 break. Basically, Thursday's highs would be more conservative. Volume stinks. Got to wait for volume. AMC, same plan from the weekend watch list. 5 breaks. Whole dollar, half dollar, etc. A lot of you asking about Seco. Why are several people asking about Seco? I mean, it's low float. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. I don't really, no real range on Thursday. Just kind of I mean, it's low float, but just nothing really going on this morning. Break a previous day's highs. I mean, that's the pattern. Fine. It's low float. Ebook pattern. Is BFRG dead? Probably. Yeah, it's over. Penny stock, understand the penny stock life cycle, my friends. STXP, what is that? STXP. Ugh. Oh, wait, that must be a typo. So I guess retype that one. PLXP, maybe. Is that supposed to be PLXP, maybe? I'm guessing you meant to say PLXP. High float, decent volume. First green day. True penny stock. Wait for the Oracle signal. GCTK. How did it take 10 minutes for someone to wait to ask for GCTK? 2. Well, which I already had it. Maybe you're reading the show notes. Those of you that are reading the show notes knew. 2. Love GCTK over 2. So IFRX. Man, is IFRX still? I think it is. It's still hanging around, isn't it? Man, pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. IFRX still hanging around, man. I think shorts are comfortable in this until 650. Not that far away, really. Nice gap. I mean, it's gapping up. Man, let's do we get more aggressive on IFRX? Man, I don't. And maybe that 6 break with risk down there on red or green to red. Man, I wouldn't be against getting more aggressive on this thing. I mean, here we are, not far from highs. So, a lot of different ways to approach it. Okay, a lot of different ways. I don't hate that 6 break with risk down on green to red. You could wait for the Oracle signals at 9:33. You could trade it definitely an afternoon VWAP hold, or even like a 650 break all the way up. So a lot of different ways to play IFRX. I really like this one. And again, why? Why? What's the significance? I mean, it's just hanging around. Like, I just don't think that the news warrants the move on IFRX. So going back to the fact, if my thesis is that this stock is far past anything that the news supported, then there's obviously people stuck short. That's why it's holding up. So hence the reason all of these levels, okay? Okay, listen, Jeff's brands in the afternoon. GCTK, ONCS, GFAI. GFAI holding above Thursday's highs. Man, ooh. So, man, a lot out there today, guys. So GCTK, IFRX, CDLX, ONCS, GFAI, PLXP. I mean, it's just a true penny stock is all. So I really like this list. We went over the plans. I would say right now, ONCS, GFAI, and GCTK. And then if IFRX and CDLX just keep hanging around, love those if they pop up on the VWAP scan into the afternoon. So, lot out there, guys. Focus. All right. Have a great day, my friends, and we will see you next time. Man, IFRX, I forgot about those stupid price targets. So thank you, breaking news. Man, so a lot going on out there. FYI, thank you, breaking news. There was that stupid $25 price target on IFRX. Thanks for the reminder. I think there was another one. Wasn't there several stupid price targets on IFRX? Anyway, thanks for the reminder, BN.